Welcome to Orca. Today we are looking at how to solve the system of linear equations. So, solution. First of all, we have to write it in a metric form. That is, ax is equal to b, where b is all the right side of the solutions, and then x here is all the numbers here, like all the unknowns. So x1, x2, x3, and then a is the matrix that we're gonna write. So let's do that. So A, which is our matrix, will be 1, 1, negative 1, then x1, x3, then the top one is 2, 3, c, then 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, c squared minus 5. So now we have to reduce to get to the solution. So how do we do that? So step 1, we say row 2 minus row 1, 1, 1, negative 1, x1, x2, x3. Then 2. Now we subtract row 1 from row 2. That is, will be 0 because 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then 1 minus minus 1 is 2. And then we say 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So that is our first step. The second step is row 3 minus row 1. Yeah, because row 1 is so good, it's just made of 1. So we can just subtract it anywhere we want. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we have c squared minus 5 minus minus 1. That will give you c squared minus 4. So that's c squared minus 4 there. And then 2, c minus 2. So c squared minus 4 x3 is equal to c minus 2. So x3 here is equal to c minus c squared over c squared minus 4. Now we are told at what point does all this, at what point do we not get the solution to all the system of linear equation? So at that point we have c is equal to 2 is equal to negative 2. If we put the negative here, so let's say 1, so x3 is equal to negative c, so that is c over negative 2 squared minus c minus 4. This will give you negative 4 over 0. So in this case, anything over 0 is undefined. So there are no solutions because it is undefined. So let's see when we have, if c is equal to negative 2. This is if c is equal to positive 2, what happened? So we have x3 minus plus 2 over 2 squared minus 4. So the top is 0, the bottom is 0. So we have infinite solutions. So thanks for your time.